Curiosity flickered in the boy's eyes as he brushed aside the dust. An outline of a map peeked from between the pages, whispering of secrets long ago. He held the fragile parchment aloft, contours of the city outlined. Adventure shimmered ahead, an intoxicating blend of danger and excitement. She huffed, skepticism etched on her face. "You can't be serious. A map? Treasure?" But his enthusiasm was infectious. They slipped inside, unaware of the storm brewing. Skill and pride flickered into the practice between, eyes glinting with rivalry. The sensei's presence was imposing, authority radiating from his stance. He challenged the boy, the duel a dance of honor and tradition. Adrenaline coursed through him. Every heartbeat thundered in his ears. A test of courage, a clash of destinies. With resolute determination, she intervened. "Let me show you another way," she said, igniting a spark of hope amidst conflict. Together, they choreographed a performance, blending strikes and spins, a stunning tapestry of culture and strength. Eyes widened in awe, tension ebbed. Instead of a confrontation, they witnessed a celebration of spirit, talent intertwined. In that moment, harmony blossomed. A vibrant fusion of cultures shown in every precise motion, stories spoken without words. The challenge dissolved. Respect was earned not through violence, but through collaboration, both strong and elegant. Together, they emerged into the world, the treasure of friendship brighter than a sword, a path of understanding,